Hey everyone, welcome back to Pandanoo channel. So in this video I will make a tutorial to install Turbo VPN in Windows. So first of all, go to turbovpn.com. Then, move the cursor to the product. Then, click on Windows. Then, click on Free Download. Then, go to Download and click on the downloaded exe file. Then, a display like this will come out. Then click on Yes. Click on Next. Then, click on Agree. Click on the Browse button if you want to change the installation location. Click on Next.
Wait for a while.
When done, click on Finish. Now the Turbo VPN is ready to use.
Thanks for watching.